Welcome. I'm Dina, and this short Yoga Nidra is here to help you release tension and rest deeply. Please lie down comfortably on your back. Allow your legs to fall open naturally, arms resting beside your body, palms facing upward. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you supporting your entire body. Let the heels sink, the calves soften, the back of your thighs and hips become heavy. Feel the shoulders relaxing into the earth, the arms and hands loose, the fingers naturally curling. Soften the back of your head, jaw and eyes. The whole body is now at rest. Bring your attention to your natural breath. Notice the cool air as you inhale, the warm air as you exhale. Without changing anything, simply watch the rise of your chest and the gentle fall of your belly. With each breath out, feel as if you are letting go, a little more tension melting away. Now, we will gently move awareness through the body. As I name each part, simply notice it and relax it. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle, ring, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Awareness flows down the right side of the body to the hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe down to the little toe. Left hand thumb, index, middle, ring, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Awareness down the left side, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, big toe to the little toe. Bring awareness to the back, the whole spine resting, the back of the head. Now to the front of the body, the chest, the heart, the belly rising and falling. feel the whole body now from head to toes resting as one. Notice the calmness, the ease that is present. Take a deeper inhale and exhale with a sigh. And when you feel ready, gently wiggle the fingers and toes and slowly open the eyes, carrying this sense of peace into your day. Namaste.